What's going on? So in today's video, we're going to go over to a platform that will pay you to watch videos. You can do this on your PC or even on your phone. Either one will work. And since you can do this on your phone, you can literally make money while you work, while you study, while you're burying dead bodies. Whatever you're doing, all you have to do is open up a video and let it play, put your phone back in your pocket, set it down, whatever you got to do, you can still earn money with this. So if you're interested in making money online, growing on YouTube, or maybe just curious as to what I'm blowing my online income on, hit that subscribe button and set up notifications so you don't miss out. Now let's head over to the platform that will actually pay you money to watch videos. So here's the platform, and I'll reveal the site in a second, but I want you to understand something before we get ahead of ourselves here. This method is legit, but you are trading your time for money, and you're not going to get rich with this method alone. If you are looking for a little extra income though, this site can help you. So for those of you that are interested in earning a full-time income online, in particular on YouTube, and that even pays you money on complete autopilot, there's a link in the description to my step-by-step video series, my main income method, where you can literally watch over my shoulder, copy me, and set this up for yourself. And if you do come over here and just check it out, if you scroll down, you'll see something really cool. Right down here is where people that are enrolled in this series are sharing the results they're getting right here. So check that out if you're interested. But for now, let's look at how you can earn a little extra cash on this platform. So the site is AdWallet, and how it works is very simple. Instead of advertisers paying money to television networks, radio stations, or even YouTube to show their ads to you, they are cutting out the middleman and just going to pay you directly to check out their products and services. So essentially, they're going to pay money anyway to advertise, and so through this platform, advertisers are simply paying you instead. So check this out real quick. As you can see, it is legit. And I actually have another advertiser with a video lined up waiting to pay me money to watch their video and check out their product or service. So the platform is free. It's easy to set up an account on. You just need an email address and your phone. And you'll just have to answer a few questions so the platform will know which ads to pair you up with that you might be interested in, and then that's it. Then you'll receive notifications when videos are ready for you to check out, and they'll send you these notifications right to your email or text it to your phone. And all you gotta do is open up your phone, click the link to the video, and you start earning money instantly. Now there are other ways to earn money. You can see right here, watch the videos, and you can earn money. You can take surveys. I don't really like those. You can even refer other people to this. I don't do that, but you can refer people to this platform and earn $1 per referral. And the best part is, once you hit $10, you can cash out, so you don't have to like wait until you're up to $100 or several $100s or a monthly schedule. As soon as you're over the $10 threshold, you can cash out, and you can have payments set right into your bank account. You can receive e-gift cards, or if you're really nice, you can donate your money. And then if you scroll down a bit more, you can see some testimonials right here. And then they're just sharing here that brands have spent $250 billion last year just to advertise. And so platforms like this gives you the opportunity to earn some of that money. And if we scroll down to the bottom, you can see the major companies that are partnered up with this platform. You've seen Citibank there, Supercuts, Airbnb, Nissan, Lowe's, Jiffy Lube, and so on. So if this interests you, come on over and check out AdWallet. And again, if you're interested into a more of a full-time automated online income, don't forget the link in the description to my system. You can check that out as well. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more of this content. And with that, I'm going to wrap this up, and I will see you in the next video.